In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Heartopia not letting you log in. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different fixes what we can try. So I'm going to start with the most common fixes first. So fix number one is to check your internet connection. So Heartopia requires a stable connection. So try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also, switch on mobile airplane mode or flight mode for at least 30 seconds and back off, and avoid any VPNs or proxy apps. Basically, go ahead and disable them. Now the next fix is to go to a player app store, do a search for Heartopia, make sure the game is up to date. If it says update, go ahead and update the game. Now the next fix is to go ahead and clear the app cache. So click and hold down the app, click onto I, scroll down, click on the storage and click on clear cache. Now the next fix is to open up the game, and then before you try and log in, we want to go ahead and click on repairs on the top right hand corner. And then what this is going to do, this is going to attempt to clean up an update or update files to fix version mismatch issues. After the cleanup, the game needs to be restarted and update files will be re-downloaded. So go ahead and click confirm and run that update. Then once you've done that, reopen the game and try logging back into your account. Now if there are any updates, go ahead and confirm any updates as well.